Good morning, everyone. Okay, so we are going to start. So let us start now. To explain the link word, you know them. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen, and then you will know how to use them. Okay, so let's see. We can go the other. Let's see. Yeah, I have sent them to you, and you just need to do the exercise and then tell me. The example that I give, can you see it? Do you think it's important for friends to laugh together? That's the example. So this is the example that I give, but you have to do yours also, just by using those things, all right? Mono example anareo kunareo fampiasana an'io hoe ahoana ny eritreritra hoe ilaina ny miaraka mifaly amin'ny namana. De ataonareo ny example anareo de mampiasa an'le link word, and you are going to do your example and then you use the link word, okay? Like here, do you think it's important for friends to laugh together? To my mind, it's extremely important because it helps us to chill out. I haven't been going out with my friends much lately, but when we do go out together, we absolutely love to crack a few jokes. On top of that, I just think laughing is a great way to stay healthy and positive. Okay, so look at that. It's a very, very important to use those link words. So you would do the same too. Okay, so remember that. All right, and then let's see. And the other one, you just use, look at the link word. Okay, the first example is, okay, give idea. In my opinion, in my view, to my mind, I would say, as far as I'm concerned, you just give ideas. Okay, contrast ideas. But, however, that said, at the same time, well, that's true. Add ideas. On top of that, also, what's more, I'd also add that. In addition, so look at the example here. What simple things that makes you happy? And then you are going to do, create your example by using give ideas, contrast ideas, and add ideas. Okay, so you have to do those things in order to practice the exercise, right? So you have to do that. Okay, if you do have a question, you can ask me. Hello, Madam Cherry. Okay. It's clear. Clear. Thank you, Madam Jenny.